Welcome to Amazing Tools channel. In this video I am going to show you 10 best home tools you must see. Number 1.
Wagner introduces our new ultra-quiet air purifiers, which are designed and priced with the consumer in mind, to make your home or workspace clean, safe, and fresh. Now, by using our state-of-the-art technology, you can clean rooms 500 square feet in no time. Our products use the iSense technology processor to analyze air quality in your room and provide you with optimal settings for your environment automatically. Wagner Air Purifier utilizes a HEPA 13 medical-grade filter cartridge consisting of 4 different layers. First is a high-density filtration net to efficiently remove pet hair, large particles, and dust. Our medical-grade HEPA 13 filter is designed to remove 99.95% particles such as mold, pet dander, pollen, bacteria, germs, and allergens. Honeycomb Active Carbon Filter, which has unique properties that allow it to remove volatile organic compounds and carbon-containing chemicals that evaporate readily at room temperature, and a cold catalyst layer that absorbs the formaldehyde, gasoline, and similar harmful gases. The air purifier is equipped with 2 remote controls, as well as large, easy-to-read, comprehensive, and informative digital display and air quality indicator. Touch control also gives you easy access to fan speed, timer, and sleep mode, designed to your convenience and satisfaction. Wagner, Switzerland.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6.
This is the Nat Home 80-watt LED garage light. It features a unique 3-leaf cooling design made of full aluminum, which can speed up heat dissipation by 30% for reduced heat and a longer lifespan. Aluminum construction with electrical and thermal conductivity and corrosion resistance protects the light. The light features LED technology with 216 PCS top-quality diodes. A special arrangement of LEDs provides high brightness, the equivalent of 120 to 150 watt traditional bulbs. We strictly inspect the LED lighting array to ensure each is working perfectly. Our unique wide-angle design has 3 adjustable panels, giving you a perfect lighting distribution according to your needs over a 360-degree area, and it's listed under the ETL North American safety standards.
Number 7.
You can paint smarter and faster with the new Flexio 590 by Wagner, featuring iSpray technology and the X-Boost turbine that gives you the power to paint any paint, anywhere. Introducing the Flexio 590 from Wagner. The Flexio 590 is the most complete sprayer kit that gives you the power and flexibility to tackle any painting project, indoors and out. The Flexio sprayers feature 2 exclusive and patented technologies that help provide the power to spray any paint, anywhere. The X-Boost turbine and the iSpray nozzle combine to deliver unmatched coverage and a professional finish on broad surfaces. The Flexio 590 also comes with the Detail Finish nozzle for small projects and fine finishing. The X-Boost turbine delivers adjustable control with a variable power setting for all your project needs. The turbine generates 3 times more power for full coverage and a professional finish. The iSpray nozzle has the ability to spray any residential coating, even on thin latex. It's great for broad surfaces and fast coverage. Plus, you can easily adjust the flow rate and the spray pattern. The Detail Finish nozzle is ideal for those projects that require a fine finish. Projects like cabinets, furniture, and crafts will have a smooth, even coating. The Flexio 590 makes short work of your detail projects, including edges, corners, and chairs. And broad interior surfaces can now be sprayed instead of using a traditional roller, saving you time for other projects.
Number 8. Number 9.
Using a tape measure just got easier with the introduction of the E-Tape 16. It solves a problem virtually everyone has, measuring mistakes, and it's actually educational and fun to use. The E-Tape 16 takes the human error out of measuring by giving you an accurate digital measurement every time, with the ability to recall your measurements at any time. As you lengthen the tape measure blade, you immediately see why E-Tape 16 is different and not your ordinary tape measure. It takes the guesswork out of measuring. With the large digital display, one can see and read the measurement clearly. With the touch of the inch-centimeter button, it allows you to read the measurement displayed in inches, feet, fractions, decimals, and even converts from standard to metric and back. Not only does it measure easily and accurately, but it has several other useful functions. When taking a measurement, you can use the standard blade lock or use the digital hold button. The large display makes your measurement easy to use and easy to remember and recall with the touch of a button. The inside-outside function allows you to measure to the front of the tape measure or to the back and calculates the extra width. No more needing to bend your blade when backed into a corner. When you need to hang a picture or find the center of a measurement, press this center line button and it will calculate it for you. Whenever someone sees the E-Tape digital tape measure for the first time, their initial reactions are, "That is cool! It makes total sense and I want one." Thus, the digital tape measure was born. Since its origin, the E-Tape has proven useful in a multitude of settings. The E-Tape 16 is a unique and durable tool that provides data in a more simple, reliable, and accurate way. For any job, whether at home or work, the rugged and durable E-Tape 16 digital tape measure will ensure your measurements are accurate every time. Here's to measuring once and cutting once. Until next time.
Number 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.